Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. I'm super excited to make this follow-up video about the stimulus checks from the White House, from Joe Biden to Uber, Lyft drivers, and gig workers. We're gonna get into all of that today. Now, before I do, I wanna tell you all about an awesome new app called Current that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers up to 2 days faster. They have no fees on overdraft when you go below $200 negative. They are paying Uber and Lyft drivers cash back on gas and 4% APY on your savings. So get paid up to 2 days faster. Sign up for Current down below. Again, that works for any gig app that you have. You can link it up together with Current and they'll take care of you. So check it out down below. And now let's get started, my friends. All right, so here we have it, my friends. This is from Newsweek. Stimulus check update. Is the White House looking to send more money? Multiple news outlets on Friday reported that the Biden administration has recently mulled over a new stimulus plans of sending Americans rebate cards to help offset the escalated price of gasoline. Now, who are the people who drive or who use the most amount of gas? Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, and food delivery drivers. Independent contract workers. We're not talking about truckers who work for a company because they're already getting paid gas. We're talking about people who are using gas out of their own pocket. Now, if this deal is structured for drivers to be able to, actually use the money to pay for gas that they're using themselves, this could be in excess of thousands, tens of thousands of dollars per year for some drivers. Well, do drivers really spend that much money? I think they do. The Washington Post wrote that senior White House aides have recently revisited a plan to send gas rebate cards to US households after the administration decided against the move months earlier. Fox Business also reported an unnamed official said the Biden administration was considering the rebate cards. What does rebate mean? It's meaning you're getting a rebate for money you already spent. So let's say, I know Uber drivers, Lyft drivers spend a couple $100 a week. Could you imagine an extra $1,000 a month coming back to you for spending gas? That would be incredible. This would be game changing for Uber drivers and Lyft drivers. That would make it totally worth it for everyone to sign up to be an Uber driver. I'd be getting my mom to sign up, my sister, my brother-in-law, my brother, my friends. I'd be like, bro, everybody sign up for Uber and Lyft and use my sign-up code. Just kidding. I don't have a sign-up code right now. But I do have Current. Please, guys, sorry, quick segue. Check out Current down below. It's the future of banking. I have my account right here. I have $100 in it. I'm getting 4% APY, so it's already up 35 cents. And the best thing here is you can set up direct deposit and you can get paid up to 2 days faster and free overdraft, again, up to $200. And you can sign up and type in, they have Lyft right here. You can sign up to connect your Lyft driver account. It's loading, it's probably gonna take a while, but yeah, just log in using your Lyft driver account and get it all set up. So anyways, listen to what the Biden administration, kind of how dumb they are. They said the other recent shortages in the chip industry may create an obstacle in physically producing the cards. Well, the Biden administration, have you ever realized that we're not living in the 1900s anymore? You can create digital cards. You can do it on your app, bro. Create an app, and the way it works is, make it sync up with your Apple Pay. Give drivers rebate cards or gas cards to go to mobile station, Chevron, partner with the gas stations. Get with it, guys. You don't need to just, how do we create physical, you're gonna really create physical cards to send out to millions of Americans? No, do it electronically, bro. That's the way of the future. Maybe lose some of your pride, Biden, and talk to Elon Musk, talk to some of these smart people that you hate, and figure out a way to partner together and use your forces. Isn't that what America's all about? Instead, you're holding freaking electric vehicle conferences, the EV, what was it? The EV convention or whatever it was called, the EV summit. Yeah, you held the EV summit for, future of electric vehicles in America, and you didn't invite Tesla, which Tesla produces more than 2/3 of all electric vehicles in the United States. And the Biden administration didn't even invite Tesla, didn't talk to Elon Musk, didn't even mention Tesla, and all they did was talk about Ford and GM at the conference, because Ford and GM are the ones who, you know, donate all this money. And they're the ones who were like lobbying for these electric vehicles. I'm sorry, I could rant forever, but sorry, this was not meant to be a political video. Well, like, it kind of is, because we're talking about stimulus checks. Anyways, CNN also cited an official close to the matter as saying that administering the cards and speculation about how the money would be spent are the main obstacles currently preventing the plan from being greenlit. There was also reportedly thought that Republicans in Congress would not sign off on such a stimulus plan. Well, Republicans don't hold a majority in Congress. Democrats do, so that's irrelevant. Democrats, they running the White House, they're running both sides of Congress. They have a majority in the Senate, and they have a majority in the, what's it called? House of Representatives. Wow, I'm so bad at my history today. But listen to this. Yeah, this is Joe Biden. He's thinking hard. He's thinking hard for once. He's going. They say officials in President Joe Biden's administration have reportedly discussed sending Americans gas rebate cards in recent days. Above, Biden speaks during a virtual major economics forum on energy and climate in the Eisenhower Executive Office building on June 17th in Washington, D.C. Another issue with stimulus checks is that they have been cited as one of the contributing factors to the current soaring inflation. Financial experts have blamed an influx of stimulus cash for causing an imbalance in supply and demand, because the amount of goods available do not currently meet the desires of Americans looking to spend more. What do you guys think? What do you think is the main cause of inflation? Most people agree that stimulus is the cause of inflation. The more money you print, the less value the US dollar has. In an attempt to better balance the supply and demand ratio, the Federal Reserve on Wednesday announced its largest interest rate hike in 28 years. This move was done to make consumers spend less because of the higher rates. Americans have more stimulus money to spend could potentially work against this logic. In March, Axios reported the White House discussed gas cards but shelved the idea. Yeah, why don't you just give Uber and Lyft drivers gas cards and DoorDash drivers and call it a day? The outlet cited an unnamed aide as saying even some House Democrats had expressed opposition to the concept. Other factors for not pursuing the plan at that time included not wanting to overextend the IRS, who would be responsible for the distribution, and concern it would worsen inflation. I'm hoping that they do cancel student loan debt, because, guys, I've been holding off on paying off my student loans. I still have student loans because I was hoping the Biden administration, I thought if anybody were to cancel student loan debt, it would be Joe Biden, because, you know, he's buddies with Chuck Schumer and Elizabeth Warren. And I would think they would be canceling student loan debt. These ads are so weird. What the heck? But yeah, we'll see. I'm hoping they do send out stimulus checks, at least to Uber, Lyft drivers, and gig workers, because I think gig workers right now are facing, you know, such a big struggle with, like, what do you do for work when gas is so expensive? So anyways, that's the update. Again, check out the link down below to sign up for Current, where you can get paid up to 2 days faster, set up direct deposit, free overdraft up to $200. You do have to sign up. Oh, and also they can get you a debit card. I'm still waiting for mine in the mail. And once you do that, you start getting cash back on gas purchases and other stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited to start building up my savings pod in here. After you do an Uber Lyft ride, throw in a couple bucks here, throw in a couple bucks there. Watch your savings pods just grow magically, because 4% APY, 4% interest is really big. The national average is 0.04, 0.05, really, really low. So anyways, and your money is FDIC insured up to $250,000 through their company bank. I believe it's called like Choice Bank or something. I don't know. Check out their FAQ on their website. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now.